Hey guys, welcome back to Bazza's Bistro. Today we have a subscriber request from Gail O'Rourke from Dublin. She wants to see me make cheesy chili chicken, sweet chili chicken cheesy chicken. One second. It's quite a mouthful. Sweet chili cheesy chicken chimichangas. Let's make this shit. Come on. Alright, first thing we need, chicken. We're going to shred this up. It's boiled chicken breast. I boiled it for 20 minutes in a little bit of chicken stock with cayenne pepper to give it an extra little bit of heat. So 2 forks, easiest way, while it's warm, just pull it apart to the magic of YouTube. Now that that's all done, all we have to do is add 3 simple little ingredients. Some salt, to taste, of course. I don't like my food too salty. There's plenty of salt in the chicken stock. Some pepper, about half a teaspoon, and then some sweet chili sauce. Love this sauce, really nice, very cheap. Add that in, about 1.5 tablespoons, and give it a mix. Get it all nicely coated. Not too much, because you're going to add some sauce, extra sauce onto the chimichangas when we're cooking anyway. Give it a nice bit of colour, nice bit of flavour, and a little bit of sweet and spicy. Now that that's all mixed up, we're going to get the rest of the ingredients, which are very simple. All you need is cheese, this chicken, and a tortilla. Let's get the other ingredients. Now, for those of you who don't know what a chimichanga is basically a deep fried burrito with a meat filling and cheese. You can use any type of meat you like. I like chicken, but you can use carne asada, you can use pork, you can use minced beef, whatever suits you, you use it. Whatever you like to taste, whether you want a sweet chili sauce, just maybe wrap it up into a burrito style, then deep fry it in the deep fryer. First thing is first though, our tortillas. And also, for all you vegans out there, it's vegan friendly. It's the only part of it that's vegan friendly, the rest of it's not. Right, first thing is first. Our tortillas, just need to warm them up a little bit because they're not very flexible at the moment, so just gonna warm them up, throw them in here. Only on a medium heat, just to warm them up and makes them a little bit more pliable. We'll give those a minute on each side. That's it. Give that a flip. On the other side. While that's on the other side, I have the cheese here. I have 3 different types of cheese. I have grated cheddar cheese, some block Edam cheese, and some mozzarella. Now we're going to mix those up. The block will be going in between the chicken and the cheese inside the burrito. So we'll mix all that up and let's get the wrap ready. Let's see. Okay, it's nice. Right, let's move back over here. So here we have nice and pliable, rollable. So we'll add a little bit of grated cheese to the bottom. Here, about 2/3 of the way down, because we're going to roll it up a little bit. And chicken. Our sweet chili chicken. Okay, add that in there. One of our blocks, one of our slices. And a little bit more cheese. Okay, now there's a trick to wrapping these. You want to get them really tight because we're going to add them into the deep fat fryer. If we don't wrap them up tight, they'll open up inside and then you'll just have a Chernobyl disaster on your hands. Right, so take this side, use your fingers to keep it tight, roll it, pull it back, take this side, pull it in. Oh shit, see what I mean if you don't get it tight? Flip this side over and give it a wrap. Push it down. Now you want to have it seam side down. If you don't have it seam side down, then try again. It's not too hard. So up, over, side, and roll over. Okay, we'll do another one just to demonstrate. So for the second one, we'll demonstrate again. So layer of cheese, keep it 2/3 of the way down. Oops. Make a mess. Some of that shredded chili chicken. So I'm gonna go for more on this one. The other one looks a little bit too slim for my liking. There'll be 2 of us eating today. Mess, 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 mess. Okay, our slice of cheese and some more cheese on top. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, tough. There's a lot of cheese. This isn't lactose-free cheese, lactose-free whatever. It's for normal people who don't have medical problems. Right, so, shit. So flip over. This one's gonna be worse than the other one. Pull back. Turn the sides in, like that. Okay, second side, same thing. And roll. Okay, seam on the bottom again. There's 2. This one looks a lot nicer than this one. So I think this one's gonna be mine, okay? Right, 2 of those. Right, as I said, the key to the chimichanga, so it's completely different than a burrito or a wrap, is they're deep fried. Now some of my YouTube subscribers have made comments about, oh, there's a lot of oil, and there's a lot of oil in all cooking. You just don't see it because your mummy makes it or you go to restaurants. So oil, the key. Deep fried, crispy, crunchy, gooey on the inside. So while the deep fat fryer's heating up, we'll just wait, have a cigarette or a drink. Now our oil is up to temperature, so here's where the fun part starts. So I got my deep fat fryer preheated up to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to add in the burritos for now. They're not chimichangas yet. Seam side down into the basket. Okay, now hot oil, be careful. I'm going to lower it into the oil for about 4 minutes on each side until it gets nice and golden brown and crispy. Okay, I just want to make sure. Oh, it fucking opened. As you saw, we had a little bit of a problem. Seam side down didn't work. So what we're going to have to do is use some little matchsticks to keep it closed. So hopefully, just in and pop it through just to try and keep it closed. I'm going to go with 2 on each one to see. So down, back out, and in, now back through there. Okay, hopefully that should keep it closed. Same with the second one. Now I have to make a fresh one because of the disaster. So in through there, down, back up, and same here, in, up, and we'll go back down for extra safety on this one because this one's a slight bit bigger. So same thing again, seam side down. Now I'm going to hold it down this time with my slotted spoon. So into the hot oil, drop it down, hold them down. So hold them down for a couple of minutes until it gets sealed and less puffy. And then they should be ready. Right, so it's been 4 minutes. Time to give them a flip. So just lift them out of the basket. Gently. Flip them over. Okay, see that nice golden brown colour. Now, same with the other one. Flip. And drop them back into the oil for another 4 minutes. So I'm going to take these out. Oh, nice and crispy. flip them over to remove these. You don't want to have an accident. 1, 2. I hope I didn't put 3 in that one. 1 and 2. And we still have the cheese mix, grated cheddar and mozzarella. So I'm going to add that to the top. And, of course, some more chili sauce. Okay, we're going to stick that under the broiler for 2 or 3 minutes until it gets nice and golden brown. Throw that in there. We have the broiler on. We'll leave that there, let the cheese get all melty and crispy. And then we'll be ready to do the Bazza's Bistro bite test. Yes, I've been waiting for this all day. Okay, let's remove these. Oh, look at those. Oh, shit. Okay. Hot, 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 hot. Right, so I'm just going to let them cool down a little bit. There's a lot of melty cheese in there. Then I'm going to take the Bazza's Bistro bite. Bazza's Bistro bite test. Yeah. Right, we had a small little technical issue, so we have to change cameras. So I'm on my phone now instead of But we're going to chop into one of these and do the bite test. So let's have a look at this. Oh, you hear that crispy? Oh, look at all that cheese. So gooey and burny. Shit. Hot. So, time for the Bazza's Bistro bite test. Cheese everywhere. Oh, the sweet chili sauce is really, really, really nice. Mixed with the sweet chili chicken. Oh. So nice. Right, guys. Cheese everywhere. It's cheesy, chili, chickeny, chimichangas. Eat. So, right. Try it, guys. You have to. So nice. So easy. 4 ingredients. Oh. And you know what to do. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I'll see you next time on Bazza's Bistro. Have a lovely day.